are cruising from New York City, baby. So we are in the car heading directly to the ship. We don't get to do this often, so we're looking forward to sharing this experience with you. Come along. Stay tuned for a step-by-step look at what it's like to park at Manhattan Cruise Terminal on the day of your cruise and how to make these parking reservations.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me? And this cruising family, my cruising family.
We're at the Manhattan Cruise Terminal about to park. Waiting for the car in front of us to get cleared. And I see the Norwegian Aqua. See her?
Thank for the parking.
Yes.
Right side, all the way down there on the right side.
Thank you.
Brother. Appreciate you.
Oh, she's a pretty ship. Look at that. She's pretty. Oh, wow. We park right here. Wow. We just arrived here at the Manhattan Cruise Terminal where we have shown you before how to park and get into the lot, but we are actually parked by the sidewalk. We were directed to drive the car up behind the car in front of us and just pull over and park. So here we are. Ready to go? My guys are taking most of the bags but left me with one to pull, which I will after recording this. We parked the car down there and we've walked. Others have parked their cars across the street as well. We've walked. You see folks are still walking all the way down there, but we are turning right at the first possible exit of sorts. And you see the ship right there to your left because the ship is leaving from that pier. So I guess that's why people are walking down there. But since I don't know that entrance, we're gonna stick to what we know and we're in here waiting for the elevator. If you're into vacation photos and videos, you may want to walk across the parking lot to get a few photos and clips of your ship. We took the elevator down and now we are walking towards the check-in. Let's go. Here we're walking from Pier 90 where we parked to the ship at Pier 88. We gave our bags to the porters and now we're at the elevator. We intentionally kept one carry-on and our book bag and our handbag. A question we repeatedly got in the comments when we did a similar Manhattan Cruise Terminal parking video 2 years ago is how did we go about reserving parking? So in this video, we'll show you. To find parking for your cruise out of New York City, you go to cruise.nyc. It will bring you to this page and then you can select what cruise terminal you'll be cruising from. Here we're selecting Manhattan Terminal. We've lived in New York City for ages and we've not ever cruised from the Brooklyn Terminal, at least not yet. So, Manhattan Cruise Terminal, it will show you the address here, 711 12th Avenue, New York, New York. And then you can scroll all the way down to parking, or you could just click on the parking section. Here it will show you, it'll give you information that most people are off the ship between 10 to 10:30, which starts to free up parking spots, and that the parking attendants and porters are usually available by 9. In any case, that may help you make your reservation for whatever time you'd like. You click on reservations. At the time of this recording, these are the closest dates for sailing out of Manhattan. I do not suggest clicking on those because it's likely there's no space available. You want to see? Let's not click on that one that's right around the corner. Let me move down a little bit. Let's say Norwegian Aqua. What'd I tell you? No reserved parking available. Okay, so we're not gonna wait for the last minute. That's about 2 weeks out from the date of this recording, and there's no spot available in the parking lot. So let's look for something a little further out. Let's say, okay, we could do Carnival Venezia, October 18th, which is gonna be a long cruise. As you can see, because the next Carnival Venezia is October 30th. So yeah, that's a 12-day cruise. And at $40-something a pop, yeah, that's how much it'll cost for that longer cruise. Okay. There's that. I mean, if it's your cruise, it's your cruise, and that's what you'd have to pay. Let's see. It's a shorter cruise because it costs less. There you go. Okay, just giving you an idea. Let's see. Okay. This is closer to what you pay for a week. This is longer. Okay. So there you have it. These are longer cruises, that's why they cost that much. For us, we paid less than $300 for our 5-night on the Aqua, and we also booked months in advance. After reserving your parking, you will get confirmation in your email from ParkWiz. So yes, you go to cruise.nyc, but the confirmation comes from ParkWiz once you go through and book your parking reservation. For us, the price was definitely worth it because for 4 of us here in New York City with all the bags that we have, we would have needed an extra large Uber or Lyft, and that would have been probably around $150 each way from our house all the way out to the Manhattan Cruise Terminal. And so we would have probably been well over $300 in a rideshare. Plus it was super convenient to jump in and out of our car both ways, going to the ship and heading back home. It's time to get on board the Norwegian Aqua. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.